Well, good morning everyone and welcome back. Cruise ship is gone. It left last night, but we're out on Snug Cove Wharf. I've got my new fishing rod, as you'll see in the video. Gonna try that out today. Got all kinds of baits. We're hoping to hook onto something big. It would be nice. So it seems the fishing has picked up this week, so hopefully that continues today. So there we go, there's the new rod. And I'd really like to thank the guys at the tackle shop here in Eden. The name of it is Pickles. They gave me a great deal on this. Got all kinds of bait. They got some really good priced fishing gear in there. So if you're ever in Eden, check them out. But that yakka that I caught in the last video, I've cut that in half and we put it on here. Yeah. Give it a go. And on this rod I just got a little white bait. I'm just going to drop this straight down, hoping maybe a brim or a nice trevally would be excellent. There we go. Fingers crossed we catch something. Oh, there we go. We got something a little feisty here. Oh, he got off. It was a nice trevally too. Oh, another one. Lost one the other night. Ah, that's too bad. Oh, something hit this good. Something hit this good. Oh, it's a very nice trevally. There we go. That's what we're looking for. There we go. He is 27 centimeters, which is legal, but I'm not keeping any today. Just come out for a bit of relaxation and just enjoy the day. So he's free to go. And we're getting a little hit on this one now. Yep. There you go. Oh, it's a yakka. Good. Might use him for bait. Oh. There we go. Just a bit of little yakka. So I haven't gotten a bite off the piece of yakka that I've used on the big rod yet, so I think I'm just going to let him go. That's 2 this morning. There we go. Into something else here. Well, it's another good sized trevally. Not quite as big as the other one. There we go. And he's talking to me. Yes, you're going back. There you go. Oh, this is a smaller fish. Oh, it's another yakka. There we go. Self-releasing. Yeah, easy buddy. Easy buddy, you're going back. There we go. As said, great bait fish. Except for today when I'm trying out the new rod. But anyway, there we go. That wasn't a good release, but he's okay. Now, we got something. Oh, that's a better trevally. There we go. Yeah, you're gonna talk to me like the last one did too? Huh? There we go. Oh, not huge, but anyway, there he goes. Oh. Oh, the sun's out. It was a nice morning. Wind wasn't supposed to pick up till about 11 o'clock, but it's only 9 o'clock now and it's starting to get a bit blowy. So let's stick out here as long as we can keep the lines pretty straight. But once again, the weatherman's a little bit off. Just gorgeous views though. Very relaxing sitting down here. Well, nothing on the Yakka, and it's been out there for a good hour. So put on a little bit smaller hook and we're going to try some squid and see how that goes. Fingers crossed. I'd like to catch something today on the new rod, especially before it gets too much more wind, before it gets much windier. Oh, got another one. Got another one. He's a bit feistier. Tangled up in my other line too. Not good. Oh, another Yakka. Yakka and Trevally. Sure like to catch something on the new rod. Oh. There we go. Just a little guy. There. Off he goes. Woo. This is up. There we go. That's another Yakka. Man, Lee took a walk over here a couple mornings ago, and guy caught a couple very nice brim. One of them had to be 50 centimeters. It was huge. Biggest thing I've ever seen. Come on. There we go. Another one. Toss him out about further. See what happens. No, straight down. But would love to hook onto one of those. It was a monster brim. He actually had to climb down the ladder here on the wharf to get down there and to get it. But it was huge. So that would be nice. There we go. Yeah, just another little Yakka. Just little guys this morning. Oh. There we go. Boom. Come on. Yep. Got him. Got him. Oh, it's just another Yakka. Just another Yakka. There we go. Whee! Boink. The judges give him a 5.0 for the dive. You're getting the first bites off the big rod. I think I got something. I think I got something. Yes. Oh, so it's a flathead. Flathead breaks in the new rod. Ha ha ha, yes. There we go. 35 centimeters, so not quite legal. But we broke in the new rod. There we go. Yes. We finally caught something with some size. Oh, cast it back out and boom, got a hit. Oh, I don't know what this is. Oh, we got a snapper. Yes. There we go. Look at that. Look at the colors on that. Very cool. Very cool. Boom. Down he goes. Well, that's my time for this morning. It's starting to get a bit breezy and I'm getting hungry, so I'm out of here. Broke in the new rod with a flathead and a snapper. Not bad at all. And quite a few trevally and yakas. I kept 3 of the yakas that I'm going to use later on for bait as well. So hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, if you did, please give it a thumbs up. It would be greatly appreciated. It really helps the channel. And until next time, keep fishing.